Hey now. I'm so happy you here. Come and have a seat. And hit that like button and share me out. Tell your friends we are going to make a wreath using this yarn today. Yes, yarn. It is so soft and it got 3 colors in it. Let me show you how. Okay, so what you would do is just take the beginning of the screen. For this purpose here, just showing you how I'm having it short. But of course you will have it whatever length that you want to start off as you keep working yourself around, because of course this is forever long, right? So you just make the screen however long you want to, and then as you go you would just keep connecting it and keep going, connecting it and going. Okay, now you could order tied in a knot at your beginning, real small, or you could use your good glue gun here and just put a little bit on the tip right there, and then put it at your very beginning here, like that, right? So only thing you want to do is just hook it. So like I said, you could tie it in a small knot, or you could just have it flush like this. So only thing you're gonna do is just loop it through each one. Okay, so we're gonna take it, we're gonna loop it, we're gonna take it, and we're gonna loop it. Then you just pull the screen. Same thing, back, over and under. Okay, and once you get the hang of it, you could do it twice. Right now you're just doing one and over and under. See that? And pull the screen. Same thing again. Sorry for the noise. Up, under, up, under. Now, let's say that you done get as far as you want to with the screen that you're using. Now, once again, you can use the glue gun here, and then you got another screen here. You could glue them together, or you could just tie it in a knot. Now I'm going to be watching TV with my granddaughter, and I ain't going to have time to keep on gluing it with the glue gun. So it's very easy just to tie it in a knot as I'm going. A real small knot. See how small that knot is? It's real small. And then only thing you do is to cut the, of course you cut these ends off that's sticking up out of the knot, but do not cut the knot. So you just cut as close as you can to the knot. But this knot is going to get covered up. I'm going to show you what on my finished product. Okay, let me cut this hot glue gun off. Safety first. Okay, so once again, now you done connected, right? You just gonna keep going. Once you get the hang of this, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, this is taking too long. So you want to go back through here, right? Back through there. And you're just gonna go back again. Instead of pulling it all the way out, you're just gonna loop it again. And then you're just gonna take your screen and just pull it. Now this screen gonna be longer because I'm actually showing you. Okay, so once again, you take it, you go up and up, under, up, under. That's all you're doing the whole time. And like I said, you can watch TV or whatever else. You can talking on the phone to so that way you won't be concentrating on, oh my God, this is taking forever. you know. And if you mess up, you can always just undo it, because, you know, it's yarn and you ain't going too far, hopefully. So, like I said, just pull it all the way through, and then you just gonna keep putting it, you know, tight to each other, and it's gonna make the design. As fast as you go, you're gonna see your pattern. And like I said, if you don't want to do loop to loop, you can just do each screen like that, and then you go back again, over, under, over, under, pull it, and just keep going. Like I said, once you get the hang of it, do 2 of them. Over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. See, I did 2 of them that time. And you will know which screen it is because you're just pulling on which one will move, like that. So, like I said, I will show you the end results, and I hope you like it. This is what I did with this image here. I just add Mod Podge and glitter to her eyes, and once I apply the Mod Podge, the glitter, and then I put Mod Podge again so that way it won't flake off. Let that dry. I added some lipstick to her lips, and I like this kind of lipstick here. It stays on a long time. It don't come off once it hit this though, but on your lips, this is good stuff. Oh, look at me rambling. But anywho, I just added one of my headbands that I had around the house on her hair, and I just wanted to put something else right here because it looked so plain. So I added some yarn here. I like playing with yarn. So that's just old everyday yarn. And I added a bead there for her necklace. And I had some leftover trim from Hobby Lobby. So I put that around her hair. And I attached her onto some foam board here. Now you can put popsicle sticks behind here to keep it from bending, but in my house, it's staying in my house, so I don't need to put extra weight. But if you are selling them, yes, put something behind here so that way it won't bend at the person's house, because you know, you never know how or what people is heavy-handed, you know. And so anyway, I'm just gonna finish this. It came out very nice. See? You like it? It's so cute, right? It came out so nice, and it's so fluffy and feels so good to the touch. So anyway, I'm just going to glue the top and the bottom like that onto the wreath. And there you go, your Diva wreath. It looks so nice, and it's fun and easy to do. And at the same time, it's gorgeous to sell or have around your house. Give it to a friend for a gift. But there you go, your Diva wreath. This is what I taught today in my Diva class. I think she came out pretty good. What you think?